Welcome to our detailed tutorial on leveraging the image download feature along with image processing for customizing your projects. With this feature, you can easily use external images on your created pages. These images will get downloaded to your website automatically and then used on your created pages. Today, we'll cover every step in detail so you can easily follow along. To begin, ensure that image processing is activated. This is essential for accessing our advanced image customization tools. We'll work with a template page as our starting point. Our example features a placeholder flag image, demonstrating how to substitute it with the images you prefer. Our setup includes a Google Sheet with a header empty JPG representing our project's file name. It contains URLs for images from the USA, Japan, and Germany, which will download and integrate into our template. Before downloading, let's prepare our template image. Here I can enter the alt tag, including placeholders for all new images, as well as all other data for the images like title, caption, and description. We can use placeholders here, allowing us to dynamically insert the country name into our images. For the downloaded images, designate a name in the LPagery download file name field, like image sample country. This is the file name the newly downloaded images will have. This step is crucial for generating unique image names without specifying file extensions, as the system will automatically assign one based on the image's type. With our template set, we proceed to LPagery, select our template, grab the link from outsource file and clicking Next. Your template now displays with the placeholder flag. As we preview images from the URLs in our Google Sheet, they'll replace the placeholder. The system avoids downloading an image if one with the specified name already exists, preventing duplicate downloads and keeping your project organized. So if there already was an image named Image Sample United States, this image would not have been downloaded, but instead the existing image would have been used. To change an image, you might adjust the placeholder in your template or replace the previously downloaded image. Now we will click on Create Pages, and this will take a bit longer initially as images are downloaded and resized. Here's our Welcome to Germany page, and when we inspect this page, we can see that the different data like alt tags are set correctly. As you can see, all the data for the different images has been correctly inserted into the newly downloaded images for the different countries. This method also extends to featured images. For this, you would just set the template image as the featured image of the template page. I will go ahead and update the pages we just created to showcase this. We can see here that the images are now already existing from the previous process, and when I go the updated pages, we can see that the featured image has been set correctly. And that's it. Thank you for following along. Subscribe for more tutorials and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.